This no training thing is still really weird. It's only been like, it'll be longer by the time you see this video, but it has been right now literally a week and a day since I hurt my back. If that shows you how much I like going to the gym, because it's just, I don't know, it's weird and I wish I could exercise. But I thought today I would share what I am eating, and because I can't train at the moment, I have adjusted my nutrition just a tiny bit. I used to worry about filming what I eat in a day videos, so by all means take inspiration from the food I am having, but my portion sizes may be too big or too small for you. So this morning I'm having my beloved protein oats. The thing with the texture of protein oats, to get the texture right, you want to go for a good protein. So you almost want something that is too thick when you have it with water, which I know seems annoying, but that's why we have two different kinds of protein powders, and we've always had two different kinds of protein powders. I had some plants turn up in the mail just then. I got a bunch of Heya. So I'm gonna repot those. I'll show you guys some little bits of what I'm up to today between the meals, but this video will mostly be about the meals, and I'm gonna preface this and say, yes, they are boring. Most of my meals today are boring. Most of my meals, most of the time, I feel like a lot of people would consider boring.
Hello everybody. We love cooking up food. Should put this on.
I've just been giving my office a little bit of a mini makeover with the help of Mitch, but I'll keep that for a separate video, which I'll upload maybe next. We'll see. I'm actually so tired just from helping move a few things around. Like, I didn't even do most of the lifting. I just kind of like helped out, but so I have to go so slow. I'm due for another meal now, but I'm not even hungry. Like, I was meant to eat this a little bit ago. I just find like I have more of an appetite on those days where I train, and on the days where I don't train, it takes me a lot longer to get hungry. But I know how much food I need, so I'm just gonna eat the meal anyway. I hate the idea of body updates, but here we are, because I'm always in baggy clothing.
Appetite watching videos of other bodybuilders eating.
That would just make me feel full. It's like 5:20 and I'll probably have dinner at like 7 or 7:30. So this snack is just a piece of fruit. So I'm just gonna have an apple, and for some fats, I'm gonna have some macadamia nuts. I just finished off some nutrition sheets for clients, and then I just uploaded, well, I uploaded to set live tomorrow morning a YouTube video. Do you want any potatoes?
Yes, with my tuna.
Don't lick me. I've got to wash my hands to cook. God. I'm just gonna start some salmon now. So the potatoes have been cooking for about 30 minutes, and I'm going to throw on a fillet of salmon, which when you weigh it, it's usually about 140 grams. So I'm just gonna cut a bit of one. So I've got 100 grams of salmon, and I'm also gonna heat up some veggies to have with this one as well. Mitch is gonna take my, well, I cut up like 4 potatoes, and I'm taking out my portion now. And then what he does is he covers the rest. Is it any good?
I love it.
Yeah.
I don't have it often. I have it like once a week or something.
And he takes the leftover potatoes and he covers them.
2 cans of tuna.
Cheese.
Low-fat mozzarella cheese.
Broccoli.
Low-calorie mayonnaise. In case some of them want to have this version.
Yeah, your version's probably a bit better than mine. See, this is the thing. Like, this is why I wanted to film what I eat in a day, because it shows like as often as I do like recipes where I like there are desserts or whatever. Like, this is a typical day of eating, and I think you need a good baseline before you start experimenting out with other stuff. Oh, I think the whole time it was on manual.
Spread that out. I mean, I don't use much. It's like this light mayonnaise. Put like a little bit on here. Some parsley. For some, everybody loves seasonings. That says fancy.
So there is dinner. We've got another side of veg, some potatoes, so heaps of fiber, and then my 100 grams of salmon. Thanks for hanging out again, guys. And I hope you enjoyed
fish and potato dinner.
A very realistic of like the boring ass food that I eat.
We eat a lot of dry oatmeal and...
I do not eat dry oatmeal. That is exclusively him. I feel like I should film one on a day where maybe we like go out for a meal, or like order in a meal to show like what.
That's a really good idea. Like show them like, hey, we're gonna order Uber Eats tonight, which we do here and there, or like eat out at restaurants and like, that's not a sharp knife. Or like go to a restaurant and like show them what we're doing, order a food, because it's like you can still make this work and make it fun. It's just
and make it work for what you're doing. All right, but I'll leave you guys there, and I'll catch you in my next video. If you're not already, hit the subscribe button so then you don't miss the next video. See you next time, guys.
Let's eat.
Oh my god. Bye.